y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Bria'Na, and over here we do all things DIY maintenance. So today we are getting into this French manicure set at home. All of the products can be found in my Amazon storefront, linked down below in the description box. And usually this set lasts me 3 weeks, and then I give myself a filling using the same method. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
Shout out to all my girlies with nubs. Recently I had some anxiety and I was picking at my fingers, so don't worry, we are actually going to lengthen our nails later, but first we have to clean them up. So I'll be using this cuticle remover just to soften up the skin, along with this tool. I believe it's called a cuticle pusher, just to push back the skin, expose the nail bed a little bit more, and we're going to just clean up the cuticle area in a second with our snippers, getting rid of all that old dead skin. Now this portion of the video is not sped up. You can see how slowly I'm going so I can ensure that I'm taking my time, because these snippers are basically like nail scissors, okay? You don't want to harm yourself, cause any bleeding, any nicks, anything of that sort. Just focus on the dead skin only. And this part for me is so therapeutic. Like once you do this, your nails will look 10 times better immediately. And if you have any hang nails, feel free to get those as well. Now I'm spraying my nails with alcohol, and I'm going in with this brush tool just to thoroughly clean my nails from my previous set. You see what I mean about cleaning your cuticles? My nails already look 10 times better. But now I'm going in with my drill. I highly recommend this drill for any of my beginners. This is very beginner friendly. I've never hurt myself using this drill. I'm going into the cuticle area just to further clean it. I had some leftover nail glue from my last press-on set, so I'm just buffing out my natural nails, taking off the shine. This is really going to ensure that your nails last a really long time. And as a reminder, everything that I am about to use in this video is already linked down for you in my Amazon storefront. I have an entire nail shop list for all of my nail products. So now let's get into the nitty-gritty. The first product that you are going to use is nail dehydrator. If you didn't know, our nails produce a lot of natural oil. We want to minimize that as much as possible. Essentially, the drier your nails, the longer your nail set will last. Now, next up is primer. I feel like this goes without saying, but essentially view this material as just a tacky base that's going to help the rest of the product stick to your natural nails. And now for the fun part, okay? I mentioned earlier that we were going to lengthen our natural nails because right now I'm not working with a lot. These are nail forms. They are going to come in clutch if you want to add length to your natural nail, and this is how you use them. You're going to peel off the sticker but keep the paper. You're going to attach the top of the sticker to the top of your finger while also lining up the curve directly under your natural nail. You want the form to be as close to your natural nail as possible because we are going to add product on top. Remember I said keep the paper? Right. You're going to peel off the remaining sticker and put it on the back of the form. This is going to add structure to the nail form. And then you're going to pinch them together, and it's going to create this form directly under your nails. And it should be very secure. It might take you a minute to get your form on right, but take your time. It's better to get the form on right before you add products, because if not, it's just going to make everything harder for you in the end. And today we are using builder gel. You can use builder gel in a lot of different ways. The way in which I do it is I apply it like nail polish. When it comes to adding length to the nail, I like to just add as much product to the top as possible. I essentially flood the top of my nails. I like to focus on my side walls so I don't have any indents from where my natural nail meets the builder gel. And I am a beginner when it comes to builder gel myself, so I don't know much about Apex. 9 times out of 10 it's not fully smooth as I want it to be, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in and file at the end, and we're gonna make sure that everything looks right. And today I'm giving myself a short set, but you can make your nails as long as you want. Just make sure that you're putting the builder gel on your natural nail along with the nail form. Builder gel has to touch both in order for this to work. Once you get your desired like shape and length, you can cure it. You want to make sure that you cure it very, very well. The longer you cure, the harder the builder gel will get. And I think I did 3 layers per nail. You need a lot of product to give yourself a structured set. Woo! Congratulations, girl. You have officially finished the hardest part of this tutorial. Now it's time to actually take the nail forms off. You want to peel the top of the sticker off and then gently peel the bottom of it, okay? You don't want to undo all that work you just did. And basically, you gave yourself a tip without adding plastic. You just use Bria'Na gel. I love this method. And now it's time for a little bit of shaping, okay? This is where the magic comes into play. I like to take my hand file and go on the sides, and then I hit the top. You can also use your drill if you add in this little insert right here. This really helps when it comes to Bria'Na gel because you added so much product to the top of your nail. This is going to cut your filing time in half. And Bria'Na gel is perfect for beginners because this looks like a natural nail set. Like, this literally looks like I grew my nails to this length. Love it. I'm going in again with a little bit of alcohol along with the brush. Sometimes I get Bria'Na gel on my skin, and we don't want that, especially before we start to paint. I'm going in with a thin layer of my base gel products, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Then I'm going in with 2 coats of this light milky pink. This is the perfect base color if you like to do a lot of French nail sets like myself. Also, shout out to Gaio, I believe that's how you pronounce it. These polishes are just chef's kiss. I'm gonna cure each round for 30 seconds again, and then here's another difficult part. I like to pre-paint my French nail sets. I do. I like to go in with the Nail Addict white color because it's very thick in consistency, so it makes this process so much easier. And then I go in with a thin nail brush to do the line work. I like to curve and arch my sides on each side first, and then I connect them to the middle, and I fill out the curves on the edges, all that jazz. Really just watch to see how I do it because it's probably gonna make more sense watching it versus how I explain it. But it's okay. If you're not a pro, you can also go in with a little bit of acetone and a thicker brush to clean up your arch and get it precise as you like it. I highly recommend curing each nail that you do for 30 seconds before you move on to the next one. And finally, I'm going in with one final coat of top coat just to seal it all in. This one has a really nice shine. I really like it. I cure my nails now for 60 seconds. I also highly recommend putting on a UV glove. I promise I'm going to purchase one very soon and add it to my Amazon storefront. Now, at this point, the nails are cute, but we are going to take them to the next level again with hand filing. It makes everything look so professional. Final step is to add some cuticle oil. I have learned in the past that less is more with this product, so I really just focus on my cuticle area and my skin. I do not get any on my nails. But oh my god, I am in love with this set. Again, it's gonna last me 3 to 4 weeks depending on how rough I am with my hands. And then when I get to that point, I will give myself a filling using the same exact method and products. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please be sure to give me a like. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any future content. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, mamas. Mwah.